Hello everyone, so this is session number 20 of Advances in Post-Harvest Technology of Fruits and Vegetables, and the topic which we'll be covering today is Advances in Non-Destructive Quality Measurement of Fruits and Vegetables. So quality is a term which exhibits a degree of excellence, a high standard of value. The quality of food may be defined as a composite of those characteristics uh, that differentiate the individual units of a product and have significance in determining the degree of acceptability to that unit to the user. Quality of fruits and vegetables is based on the sensory properties, the nutritive value, safety, and defects. Fruits and vegetables with superior sensory and nutritional quality have high economic value. The secondary processing of fruits and vegetables are carried out to increase the shelf life, which results in various characteristics changes such as physical changes as well as aerodynamic, thermal, and hygroscopic properties. Free storage of fruits result in the formation of ice crystals. The ice crystals form affects the texture of fruits negatively and decreases the sensory acceptability. Internal quality evaluation of fruits and vegetables highly affects the post-harvest period. The subjective and visual inspection helps to study the maturity, ripeness, and quality of fruits and vegetables. This in turn helps to decide the harvesting time. Harvesting time. Quality evaluation method can be classified as online or offline state. Majority of the methods can be used to assess fruit quality are destructive, time consuming, labor intensive, cost intensive, and biased. Destructive methods of quality evaluation are not suitable in industries such as packaging industry as it ruptures the fruit tissue and evaluation of the whole lot cannot be done. Penetrometer test. Non-destructive methods are effective than traditional conventional methods, and non-destructive methods are mainly based on physical properties which correlates well with certain quality factors of fruits and vegetables. Mechanization and automation of fruits and industries is increased as machines are more consistent than human, reduces the labor cost, and is non-destructive. Acoustic, mechanical, and optical non-destructive methods is adopted in fruit packaging industries to determine fruit quality. The non-destructive methods are advantageous over traditional destructive methods as they do not rupture the fruit tissue, can be used to access internal variable of fruits. It is useful in sorting superior quality fruits from substandard fruits based on their size and shape in online system, and sampling of all fruits or vegetables is carried out which ensures maximum quality. Studying both physical and chemical parameters using single non-destructive test is difficult and depends on the variability such as chemical composition parameters to be assessed and the physical structure. Hence, various methods are used for external and internal quality evaluation. Types of non-destructive tests are mechanical method, optical method, electromagnetic method, and dynamic method. The non-destructive tests to determine particular quality characteristics of fruits and vegetables are impact test, that is firmness or internal damage, NMR, that is maturity, pit detection, freeze damage, heat injury, wound damage, sugar content infections. MRI is morphology, mature core breakdown, pit detection, X-ray moisture content. X-ray determines moisture content, density states, freeze damage, internal bronzing. NIR gives soluble solids, firmness, acidity, dry matter, sugar content. Acoustic gives firmness, internal defects, internal cavity detection. UV visible spectroscopy gives carotene content, and fluorescence spectroscopy gives freshness, ripeness, surface bruises, and ultrasonic gives maturity, defects, and sugar content. Mechanical methods include low mass impact test, microphone test, and electronic nose method. This is useful for the assessment of fruit texture by measuring stiffness and electric properties which are related to turgor, pressure, and water loss, then to mechanical strength of cell wall and middle lamella. The mechanical thumb method, it depends on the response of the fruit to force fruit to force. The principle of this method is similar to that of the destructive Magnus-Taylor tester method, where the fruit firmness is calculated in a destructive manner by introducing a cylindrical head into the flesh of a peeled fruit to measure the maximum penetration force. The gas sensor arrays or the electronic nose. The electronic nose consists of the chemical and electronic sensors which try to stimulate the functioning of the olfactory system. An electronic nose consists of a sensor, data processing unit, software with digital pattern recognizing algorithm, and reference library. Organic polymers, metal oxides, quartz crystals, microbalance, and gas chromatography are the various sensors used. Sometimes GC is combined with mass spectroscopy. Optical methods used for the fruits are absorbance of reflectance, transmittance, absorbance, fluorescence, and scattering of light. Soluble solid content, acid, starches, and overall maturity of the fruits can be analyzed by using spectral optical methods non-destructively. Visible near-infrared spectroscopy. The near-infrared spectroscopy covers the range of 780 to 2500 nanometer in electromagnetic spectrum. It is most suitable for practical applications and helpful in sorting and grading of fruits. The time resolved reflectance spectrometry. This method is mostly suitable for optical characterization of highly diffusive media. It involves the penetration of light into the diffusive medium, which depends on the optical properties of the medium onto the source detector distance. This is a schematic diagram of the ENOS system. The central points in a continuous NIR system, that is typical mono and multiple NIR system. The nuclear magnetic resonance or NMR technique. The nuclear magnetic resonance techniques involve NMR spectroscopy, NMR relaxometry, and magnetic resonance imaging. The principles involved in the absorption of magnetic energy by the nuclei placed in the alternating magnetic field. The amount of energy absorbed by the nuclei is directly proportional to the number of protons present in a particular sample. Water and oil converter sample can be determined by using this technique. MRI can provide high resolution images of internal structure of intact food, but the speed of measurement is low. That's all for this session. Thank you.